It's the last day of 2025 and the battle lines are only sharpening in 5 states which go to polls in 2026. Today was the 3rd day of his visit to Bengal. Union Home Minister Amit Shah met party MPs and MLAs to chart out the party's strategy for the upcoming state elections. After a fiery speech yesterday where Mr. Shah accused the state government of Mamata Banerjee of corruption and misgovernance, today it was about strengthening the BJP's position and preparing an electoral roadmap for Bengal. At the same time, a TMC delegation led by senior leaders met the Election Commission here in the national capital, raising issues regarding the ongoing special intensive revision exercise playing out in Bengal. The TMC, in fact, said that the EC must answer the questions that are being raised, particularly with the regards to the implementation happening on ground. As both sides get battle ready, it is becoming clear that this is an election which is likely to be truly the gloves are off kind of an election in Bengal, where both the sides are solidifying their strategies and getting into an election mode like no other. Remember, 5 states go to polls in early part of 2026, around April, and the results are likely to be in the first week of May, as it was 5 years ago. Here's what happened today, and then I bring in the guests.
Battle lines are hardening in Bengal. A day after unleashing a fiery political broadside against Mamata Banerjee, Union Home Minister Amit Shah on Wednesday chaired a key strategy meeting of BJP MPs and MLAs in Kolkata. Behind closed doors at a private hotel, Shah told party leaders to shift into election mode. Reach every booth, connect with every voter, and leave no ground uncovered. The meeting lasted over an hour and was attended by 65 BJP MLAs and almost all MPs from the state. Even former state BJP chief Dilip Ghosh, recently pushed to the margins, was back in the room. A clear message of unity as the BJP gears up for a do-or-die fight. The TMC, on the other hand, is also getting ready for the battle. A 10-member TMC delegation visited the Election Commission office in Delhi, accusing the poll body of stonewalling and bias.
मैं उनको SIR पे सवाल पूछता हूँ तो वो चले जाते हैं सिटीजनशिप पे। मैं उनको डिवीजन पे सवाल पूछता हूँ तो वो चले जाता है इलेक्शन का फॉर्म 7 फिल करो।
Abhishek Banerjee accused the CEC of intimidation and threw down a direct challenge to make the meeting public.
हम लोग जो थर्ड पार्टी एजेंसीज के बारे में पूछे कि डेटा मिशन करके इलेक्शन कमीशन ने बंगाल में एक एजेंसी लगाया सर्वे करने के लिए, तो बोला अच्छा मुझे तो पता ही नहीं है, और अगर मैं झूठ कह रहा हूं तो जरा वहां पे सीसीटीवी का फुटेज रिलीज करें मीडिया के सामने.
As the war of words escalated, the BJP released a chilling video allegedly showing a woman and a family being attacked by a mob. The party claimed that the footage exposes the grim reality of Mamata Banerjee's Bengal, accusing the TMC of failing to protect women in the state. From booth-level mobilization to institutional showdowns, from street violence allegations to charges of vote theft, the battle for Bengal has begun, and it is only getting fiercer. Bureau Report, India Today.
Mata ki!